All right, class, we're getting close to the end of the tutorial. The next thing we're going to do is create the blog page. Then we'll work with the portfolio, create the sidebar, and change the footer. So let's set up the blog page. If we go to our site, you see that we've already created a blog page, and it says no posts match your criteria. Okay, why is it saying that? Well, it's saying that because we don't have any posts. Remember that the post is going to feed into this blog page, and it's going to sort of stack up. All the posts are going to stack up over here in chronological order. So what we need to do is to create a post. So let's go to posts, and I want you to click on all posts. This is a list of all the posts that are on your site. You can add new by clicking add new, but really quickly I want to talk about categories. So categories are a way, oops, this is in here from something else I was doing. Categories are in a way of sorting your blog posts. So if I go to that site that I made with Simplicity Theme, bsujournalsandworkshops.com, and I go to the blog, you will see that there are categories. These blogs are broken up into different categories. So if I look at writing for the web, you'll see that if I scroll to the bottom, it was posted in how-to. So if I click on how-to, I can see all of the blog posts that are how-tos. So categories are a way of sorting. And one of your assignments in this class is going to be to create categories for your blog. So we're not going to work with categories right now, but I did want to bring them up because you're already in the dashboard and you probably have noticed that categories section. Categories are applied to blog posts. We're not going to create them for our portfolio, but we are going to create them for our client website. So we don't need to do anything with categories. I just wanted you to see what they are and where you can make them. What we're going to do is we're going to go to add new, and we're going to create a post. And I want you to create a blog post. Now, it's totally fine if you want to use something that you've done in another class. If you had a journal response or a book review or some piece of writing for another class, I'm totally fine with you putting that here as your new post. So I'm working on a post called how to sketch your ideas, and we'll just sort of imagine that it's all here. And this will allow me to make a post. I can associate an image with the post. I can embed a video. I can create or add a category. But for right now, let's just keep it simple and let's just publish the post. Now if I go over to my, let me get rid of this, to my site and I refresh the blog, you'll see there's my post. So I want you to have some post in here that appears under blog that you can click on to see more of. That's all you need for the blog post. Again, you can use something you've done in another class. I'm totally fine with that. I just want to see that you have a blog post and that it's a post and not a page.